Hi, I am Etzel. I completed my BTech in Electrical Engineering from MS College of Engineering, Kuttipuram. When I was in my final year, I heard that industrial automation is an area with lots of opportunities. When by visiting so many institutions, I realized that SMEC is the best place to improve my skills. After 3 months of training, now I got job as an automation engineer trainee at SMEC.
Hi, I'm Alan Matthew. I graduated from Vishwadati College of Engineering and Technology with bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. After completing my degree, I wanted to do a course on automation. That's when my friend suggested SMEC Labs. It provides the best industrial experience. Now, after completing a 3-month course, I'm placed as an automation engineer trainee at SMEC Automation. Thank you, SMEC, for providing such a wonderful opportunity.
Hi, I'm Akshay. I completed my degree in electronics from CHM College, Chavargod. After my graduation, my college faculty suggested me SMEC Labs to build my career in industrial automation. I joined for a 3-month course for the PG diploma in industrial automation. After a short period of time, I got placed as an automation engineer in SMEC Automation. Thank you, SMEC Labs, for giving me such a wonderful opportunity.
Hi, my name is Joseph Alvin Sosa. I am a BTech graduate in Applied Electronics and Instrumentation from Adishankar Institute of Engineering and Technology. After the completion of my course, I realized that it is very difficult to get a job because there was a huge gap in industry and academics. So, in order to solve this problem, my seniors told me about SMEC Labs. I joined SMEC Labs in 2020 and I have completed the postgraduate diploma in industrial automation. So after this completion of the course, I can confidently say that this SMEC Labs and the course has greatly helped me to bridge the gap between industry and academics. After the completion of the course, I have placed at SMEC Automation as an automation engineer trainee. Thank you, SMEC Labs, for this wonderful opportunity.
My name is Leo.
My name is Navin Ando.
We completed our bachelor's in Applied Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering from Adishankar Institute of Engineering and Technology. Following that, we came to SMEC Labs to do our postgraduate diploma in industrial automation. SMEC Labs was recommended to us by our teachers. They said that it was the best place for industrial automation, to learn more about industrial automation and various other tools.
After completion of PG diploma in industrial automation, we both placed in SMEC Labs as an industrial automation engineer trainee.
Hi, my name is Ibi. I graduated from College of Engineering, Kadanapalle.
Hi, I'm Akshay Pradeep.
My name is Ashwin, and me and Akshay, we both completed our graduation in instrumentation engineering from Calicut.
After completion of our BTech, me and Ashwin were very confused to what to choose. So finally we found that here at SMEC Labs they provide a good job-oriented courses. So we decided to join here at SMEC Labs.
Now we all got placed at SMEC Automations as automation engineering trainees. Thank you, SMEC, for this great opportunity.
Hi, I am Vishnu K. Nair. I am a BTech graduate from Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology, Kochi, Kakanad. I studied postgraduate diploma in industrial instrumentation from SMEC Labs during January to April. Now I got placed as industrial instrumentation engineer trainee at SMEC Automation. Thank you, SMEC.